Hello folks, I thought this would be an excuse to start vlogging again. I'm going to try and do one every day. Um, I am currently isolating, so this is day one. And I'm not supposed to leave the house, so unless it's absolutely necessary, I'm not leaving this house. What have I done today already? It's, what, 10 a.m. in the morning? Is it? What time is it? Come on, talk to my phone. It's 10:08 a.m. And today I have washed the kitchen. I've cleaned the kitchen, disinfected the kitchen for my mother-in-law. I also have been doing all the light switches. I realised I missed one. All night light switches bar one. And I've disinfected them. I know I didn't use any wet cloth. I used a disinfectant wipe. I also disinfected all the door handles in the house. So that is what I've done so far. Probably don't do very little elsewhere. I have a cough. I have asthma, if you don't know. I also have an underlying health issue, so that's two of the reasons why I'm isolating at this time. It's probably going to be the 12 weeks. I have a cough that's I have a cough that's really tearing my lungs out or something. I don't know. So I'm scared of that. I had a temperature last night, so I'm pretty much bloated if it is coronavirus. I'm hoping it's not. I'm keeping my faith in God that it's not coronavirus and that all will be okay. At the minute I'm the only one in the house. So Laura's away fighting on the front line. God love her. I hope she's alright. Laura's my wife, if you didn't already know. So this is, oh dear. I sneeze all the time too, so don't worry, it's not corona that way. That's not corona. I need to go and disinfect the phone. I don't know whether I'm going to keep these vlogs as short as possible or do just normal vlog. I don't know yet. I haven't decided yet. But day one in quarantine. I've been waking since 6 a.m. Now Laura was scared of going out in the dark this morning. It wasn't even dark, it was dark blue. The sky, it wasn't even black, it was dark blue. So why was she scared? I don't know. Laura's up to high-do, I think, at the minute, all this jazz. And I suppose she would be if she's a nurse. So I've been waking since 6 o'clock and I've just lain and watched TikTok. Addicted to TikTok. I also do TikTok, so if you're wanting to follow me, the link's in the description. Oh dear. Oh dear. 2 seconds. So I had a sneeze there and I had to blow my nose. I had to go now and take my medication. I do feel as if not even my lungs, more my, what do you call it? Not my esophagus, the other one, the trachea. It feels raw and it has felt raw for days. So I'm worried about that. I wonder, should I phone my GP? So that's the lot. If anything more develops throughout the day, I'll upload another wee vlog. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. We're all in this together.